this is the final result. So the duct connected here was a proper tape made for ducts, and on the wall same, right, nice. And then the connection here, the adapter, and then the hose connected, sealed inside. The same thing on this side, the adapter, and then the yellow power hose goes on top of it, same, and then sealed with a liquid tape. And then already I sprayed on it here. I sprayed here, no more bubble. So it's ready for the dryer to work. All right, check out the rest of the video.
Hello YouTube! On this video, I'd like to show you how you can connect your dryer to your house, the easy steps. So what we need for this project is you need propane sealant, which is the pipe thread sealant, to put on the threads. You don't want any propane leak. And then you need all the screws, the tools to tight. Also some cleaning, like a Q-tip, to clean old residues. For example, this one, this is on the dryer. There's already old, I bought a used dryer, so it came with some kind of old sealant, so I'm kind of removing that. The sealant shouldn't be going inside, it should be on the thread. I don't know how it ended up there, but you got to clean that up. Also on the house side, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you how I disconnected my broken one. But first step is you have to shut down, turn off your propane valve, and then just disconnect from here. There's two, you hold one and you disconnect the other one. So I just did that. And then next step is this thread need to be cleaned before you put the new sealant on it. So definitely I'm gonna use a metal brush with like vinegar, and then clean this up nicely, and then I can put the new sealant on it before I screw on it. And then the duct, already I disconnected the one that goes on the broken dryer, but the one on the wall I don't have to do anything. And then I have the tape for that. And then since I disconnected this one, my style, it requires this tape. Under the description I will put where you can get it on Amazon. If you don't have the the O-ring clip to hold them, you can stick the vent to here, and then all around to here, all around it, to hold it nicely and tight with this heat resistant I guess tape. So that's what we're gonna use. So yeah, so let's get to work. So as you can see, this one is an adapter, so it's gonna screw to here. So every time you do that, basically all the male threads, like you have to put this the thread sealant on this thread, and then you screw that, you tighten it very well. And then next, you got the hose already. If you don't have this, I'll link under the description where you can get it. But yeah, so the hose comes, and this side of the hose is just gonna screw to this one, as you can see, to this one. So make sure once this is screwed in here, you have to also put the sealant here too. You have to definitely dab the sealant here. I got the liquid one, so dab the sealant, and then you can screw this on top of it. And then on the other side, which is on the house side, we're gonna connect this. It's a little bit dark, but yeah, we're gonna connect this to here on the house side, and we're gonna, let's see. Yeah, this is kind of. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Is this the right size? Let's see. Yeah, it's turning, so that's good. So let's see. Maybe the other way, or what's going on? Or do I need an adapter, or it's not the right size? I'll find out. Just turning. So yeah, so that means this is an adapter. definitely needs an adapter. Oh, okay. So this came out itself. So let's see if this is the right one. As you can see, it's just turning. It's not. It's not. So how about this directly to here? It's not. Yeah. So that means I need the right fit adapter. So I'm gonna borrow from the old one, from the broken dryer. So from the broken dryer, either this one, we can, you have to hold it on one tool here and then loosen this. These are two separate things. Or on the other side, either this one. So I'm gonna have to disconnect this and then see which side will fit. But yeah, that's basically it. And then you tape it with this one, and then make sure after that you tighten it very well, and then you spray soapy water once you turn on once you turn on this. Definitely test all the connections with soapy water to see if there's any bubbles, because that happened to me at the when the broken dryer, when I first installed it a couple years ago. After like a week I started smelling like propane leak, and I was like, where did this coming leak? Eventually I found out, I thought it was a kitchen, there was nothing there. Then I found out, it's coming from here. And then when I did the test, I found out where it was. So that connection, I didn't use proper sealant, and then I have to use proper sealant and tight very well, and then no more bubble. After that, 2 years, no more propane leak. So if you do it right, you're not gonna have any leak, but you definitely have to have soapy water to test after you install. So basically that's basically it. It's very simple. You can do it. All right, hope this helps.